Hi everybody, welcome to our channel StatsMagic. So in this video, I would like to introduce uh, the steps that I'm going to take in my in our channel. That is, I'm going to start net syllabus related videos. Paper 1, which is common for all subjects, and paper 2 is especially commerce and management. I will be focusing on, and paper 1, which is common for all. So it contains like I'll take a board and I'll be explaining the concepts, and sometimes I'll be making like this direct oral kind of videos also, where I'll be sharing some important things. So what you do is, one important thing is that to follow one channel or one person consistently. See, those who are preparing for net exam or even set exam also, because if you prepare for net exam, the syllabus is almost same for set also, so it will be useful for both things. So whatever channels you are following, select a few channels or few persons, okay, uh, who you are resonated with. That means you are liking the way of their explanation. You are able to understand what they are explaining, and you are seeing the quality of that. So when you find that, please stick to that. Please stick to that one, two, or three persons of channels. Then follow those channels consistently. Follow those channels consistently. Then you will gain a lot. This is the first tip, first most important tip that I am telling you. If you don't like my delivery or my content, just don't watch uh, that one thing. But if you like it, watch consistently. The first thing is, whatever you are doing, do it consistently. Only then you will improve, you will gain something, you will have some result. You can move towards success. Without consistency, there is no moving towards success. Consistency is the most important thing to move towards success. Okay, so okay, I'm not here to tell all these motivation kind of things, these things, but these are most important only. That's why I'm touching these things, because before starting, these are the things I want you to know and realize and practice and take action upon. Okay, so what you do is, so follow consistently, and then for uh, to achieve marks or good results in any competitive exam for that matter, it is important to have retention power. So how you get retention power? For that retention power, the first step is paying attention. These days, attention is a scarce thing, a rare thing, because it is lacking in most of us. Attention is one thing. Why we lack attention? Because of distractions. When there are n number of distractions, then obviously you lack attention. So reduce the distractions. That means make your distractions zero. When you are focusing on one thing, whatever other distractions that are distracting you from that one thing which you want to focus on, all those are the distractions. Those distractions should be reduced to zero. Then you can focus on this particular thing. Whatever work you are doing, when you are cooking, focus on the cooking only. When you are walking, only walk. When you are eating, only eat. When you are watching this video, completely focus and watch this video, what this person is saying, what he is explaining. Are you getting or not? Remove all the unnecessary judgments, thinking and everything. Just observe, just pay attention. Then you will understand. Automatically you will understand uh, how this person is saying. Is there any quality? Not only just with one video, my next video, and you can check other videos in our channel. But only thing is, other videos in our channel, I think it has been years, 2 3 years ago I have made those videos. So but no problem, you can check how those videos are, and you can check this video, whatever I'm delivering now in this present video which you are watching. And in my next videos also, please check like that. You like this, you check some 3 4 5 videos at least before coming to a judgment. Okay, now if you like, okay, let's see whatever this person is saying. If you want, let me see how this person is going to tell the concepts, deal the concepts and all that in its syllabus. Then you can decide whether to watch me consistently or not, follow my channel consistently or not, and you can consider about subscribing also. And if you want, you can subscribe now also. That's not a matter. So retention, for retention, you need to pay attention first of all. See, why I'm saying is, when you are uh, watching or preparing for the exam for the first time, in the process of preparation, you are watching this channel, these videos, and you will be noting down, you will be practicing. All this is a part of preparation. So when you are doing the first time itself, get it the first time. So whenever I am explaining the concept, you have to try to get it the first time itself. Okay, I will watch it again. Now I have other distractions, I will watch other videos. Then why are you watching this now? Just leave it. If you are watching it, please get it. That means pay full attention. This attention, with this attention, how intense is your attention equals your, I mean, retention also. Attention leads to retention, the brain retaining capacity. Then there may be other factors. Even though you are paying attention, you may forget after a few days. Some concepts you may forget. That's not a big deal. There comes other factors, because the concepts you are familiar with, you retain that easily. Which you are not familiar with, you do not know that concept at all. Those technical words and all you do not know. When you are watching it the first time, but when you watch the first time, understanding is important. When you watch the first time and you understand it also, then also if you are unable to retain, then you have to watch it again, because it's strange and new concept for you, which is you are not familiar with. That's why you need to watch it again and again, twice, thrice, depending on individual to individual capacity of understanding level and attention level. But for whatever, most important thing is, even if it is strange thing also, if your attention is like I mean, if someone sees your attention, they should be afraid of what kind of focus it is. If you are if you are maintaining that kind of attention, then even if the strange concept also, you'll understand and retain that easily. Otherwise you can watch it again, you will note it down also. So these are the most important things I would like you to focus on. Please maintain consistency. Follow 2 3 4 only, not 4 also, just 2 3 quality. You can try other things, other videos, other channels. You can try for the concept that you are difficulty having. You can directly type that concept, and you can multiple videos you can watch and try to understand it. That is fine. But in order to watch consistently, choose 2 or 3. That's all. 1 2 3. I won't say one, because one is not good. You can try 2 3 also consistently, because after watching 10 members videos, their videos like 3 or 4 videos, 10 channels, 3 4 5 videos, so you will understand the quality. Okay, these are the 2 3 4 are the best. Then you can subscribe those, and you can move on. Okay, this is the channel I'm going to come. If you like this Stats Magic channel, the quality, okay, this Stats Magic channel is, it seems good quality, so I will come again and again and watch it. Note it down. Reduce the distractions first. Make the distractions zero. If you are focusing on the exam, please make sure that fix in your mind that I am going to crack it, make it first time itself. If not, you will try again, but don't have that in mind. Okay, this is not, I mean, if I don't get first time, I'll make it second time. I'll again, there is chance. No, don't give your mind excuses. Okay, I have to make this first time. Now I am writing this time. This time I have to make it. First time means, I mean, this time, whatever the attempt you are giving June or December, this time I have to make it. Okay. So what you do is, uh, follow quality, whatever seems quality to you. Follow those 2 or 3 consistently. So first is the following consistently, and you have to watch that videos consistently. Then attention, pay full attention. Make your distractions zero when you are watching those videos. Okay. Then note it down. Important points are there, means note it down. Whenever you find something important, note it down. That is the attention. Okay. Consistency, paying attention. Attention automatically leads to retention also. Okay. Retention is the most important thing. Retention means not like mugging up and I mean, remembering kind of things. Retention, how your brain is sitting, I mean, if you watch a video half an hour or 1 hour, how much of that is your retention? That means what you do is, after watching the entire video, just close your eyes. Okay, what is dealt in that? Okay, this is the concept. The person said this. Okay, this kind of, he said about consistency, following few channels, quality channels consistently. Okay, and paying attention, making distraction zero. Okay, and then retention. With this, it leads to retention. Okay, these are the points. And whatever in that 1 hour, whatever you try to close your eyes and try to remember, that improves your retention. This is most important for multiple choice when you are making. This retention is helpful for you to put the right answer also. And there are some other tips also for multiple choice. You might have already known that elimination method. Even if you know, do not know the exact answer, you can guess. Okay, this cannot be for this question. This cannot be. This cannot be. This cannot. Then remaining, like that you can put the answers also. So those things, I mean, in the course of our videos, I'll be explaining those things also. See, I'm going to give you the best of best things, the quality things. uh, I'm not here, like what to say, just taking a concept and say something about it, what I mean, its definition, where it is came from, its context. Not like that. I am i am going to tell you as much as possible the examination point of view, each concept. If you take a concept, how it will be asked in the exam, in how many different ways or angles it will be asked, and how we should be able to crack it. Even if we do not know also, how we should be able to do that. Okay, that is the thing I'm going to explain. So okay, in the next video I'll be taking one concept and explaining so that you will understand how I'm going to deal. Yeah, thank you. This, I mean, this much for this video. Yeah.